Welcome to another video. We are delighted to have you. Remember to subscribe to the channel for regular updates on new videos and not to miss them, as they are packed with insightful and mindful topics. So let's get started. Instant stress relief. Emotional freedom technique, EFT, tapping technique for immediate calm. Welcome to this guided EFT tapping session designed to provide you with instant stress relief and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. In this session, we'll be tapping on specific meridian points while addressing common stressors, allowing you to release tension and restore balance to your body's energy system. Follow along with me as we tap through this sequence together and feel the stress melt away. Before we begin, find a comfortable seated position and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Identify a specific stressor or issue that you'd like to address during this session, whether it's work-related stress, relationship challenges, or general feelings of anxiety. Rate the intensity of your stress or discomfort on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the most intense. Now, let's begin tapping. I'll guide you through each tapping point, and I encourage you to repeat the accompanying phrases out loud or in your mind as we tap. Remember to tap gently but firmly, using your fingertips, and focus on the stressor as you tap each point. Tapping points. Top of the head, crown. Eyebrow. Side of the eye. Under the eye. Under the nose. Chin. Collarbone. Under the arm. Tapping sequence. 1. Start by tapping on the top of your head, crown, and repeat the phrase, "Even though I'm feeling stressed about," state your specific stressor. "I deeply and completely accept myself." 2. Move to the eyebrow point and tap gently while repeating, "This stress in my body." 3. Continue tapping on the side of the eye and say, "I am feeling overwhelmed." 4. Tap under the eye and repeat, "I'm letting go of this stress." 5. Move to under the nose and say, "Relaxing my body." 6. Tap on the chin and affirm, "Feeling calm and centered." 7. Tap on the collarbone and say, "Letting go of tension." 8. Finally, tap under the arm and repeat, "Releasing stress from my body." Pause for a moment and take a deep breath. Notice any shifts in your physical sensations, emotions, or overall sense of well-being. Check in with yourself and rate the intensity of your stress again on a scale of 0 to 10. If the intensity has decreased, you can repeat the tapping sequence with a new setup statement focusing on any remaining stress or tension. If the intensity is still high, continue tapping while acknowledging any resistance or underlying emotions that arise. As we conclude this tapping session, remember that you can return to this practice whenever you need instant stress relief. With regular practice, you can cultivate a greater sense of ease and well-being, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with greater resilience and inner peace. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time for self-care, and know that you are deserving of peace and relaxation. Thank you for joining me in this EFT tapping session, and I wish you a day filled with calm and serenity. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found some value. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to not miss important topics. To have access to exclusive 300 ebooks that can change your life. It has a limited offer of 60% off. Simply click the link in the description of this video. We will see you in the next video. Much love and peace.